In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do 4-point jumps or 4-point hops as they're sometimes called. And what I've got here on the floor is a variation or a very bad square that I've basically put with a resistance band. And why I've put the square here is because it's going to be really good as a tool to make sure that I know where I'm going during this exercise. So I've got this here and I'm actually going to be jumping to 4 points of the square. So each point, I'm on point number 1, I'm going to jump to point number 2 in front of me, and then to the side, and then back to where I am. So I've got a forward jump, a lateral jump, a jump backwards, and then a lateral jump as well, the opposite way. So let's go through it. So I'm going to come into feet hip width. I'm going to bend my knees. As I bend my knees, I'm bringing my bum back, so I'm coming into a squat position. And then I'm going to jump forwards for this first repetition to my first corner of the square. Then I'm going to jump laterally. I'm then going to jump behind and back to the position I was in. So that is how you do 4-point jumps. You can do them one way, then do them the other way. And you would repeat this for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.